this particular case with Stacy Tebo, because there's been a lot of discussion in social media and a lot of misinformation, and I want to go through the timelines. Obviously, some folks had some concerns about public records requests and how the council was able to hold an executive session. And so I do want to go through the timeline just to educate the public on typically any type of lawsuit that we may have in the future in regards to executive sessions and those decisions and when public records are available. In this particular case, the lawsuit was filed September 16, 2016. In April 3rd, 2017, the mediation ended in impasse. On August 13th, the final summary judgment for the defendant, which was the court found it in favor of the city on August 13th, 2018. On September the 11th, 2018, the plaintiff filed an appeal. On September the 4th, 2019, the 11th Circuit reversed the summary judgment in part, and mediation immediately began between our insurance provider and the Tebo crew or staff or attorneys. Mediation on November 14th was reached. At that particular time, we brought it to the DeBary City Council, in which we conducted an executive session. These two statutes you see here, Section 44-405, subparent 4B of the Florida statutes provides that mediation communications can remain confidential and basically in layman's terms until the case is closed. Also, Section 286.011, subsection 8, also provides that ability for confidentiality as well until the pending litigation has ended. And then the transcription that is done during that is required, done during the executive session, is also private until the case ends. And so governments are allowed executive sessions to be able to discuss mediation, and to be able to talk to the attorneys, to find out exactly what the parameters were of the lawsuit. And then on December 4th, the council came out in public and voted on to settle this particular case for $287,500. As Mr. Bacon said, this liability was paid by our insurance provider. The city does have a deductible for $5,000, and this is the breakdown of where the money went. $118,634.47 went to attorney fees, and then $84,432.76 went to Stacy Tebo for personal damages, and $84,432.77 went to Stacy Tebo for lost wages. This also, we talked about, we received a number of public records requests at that particular time, but since the case had not actually officially been closed, on December the 6th, 2019, we did receive the settlement agreement received by the insurance provider. Unfortunately, until the checks are written and the money's received, the case does not actually close. So on December the 12th, 2019, the city issued the payroll checks for lost wages, and it was sent to the insurance provider. On December 13th, 2019, the checks were actually delivered to the attorney firm of Ms. Tebo. On December 17, 2019, the city attorney confirmed that the case was closed, and we made that settlement agreement public that specific day. And then on December 23rd, 2019, we received the transcript from the city attorney, and of course the transcript is done by the court reporter, U.S. Legal Support. It takes a few days to get that transcript out. It was provided to us on December 23rd, and we made that transcript available that day. And that is the general process that I wanted to provide to our residents and to the council, that this is a general process that you'll go through for any types of settlement of any types of lawsuits. You will go through this basic particular process. And I wanted to provide this information. And Mr. Ardaman can confirm the accuracy of what I put down here, if he so will.